So this is our C++ multi-client server. So this is the libraries. These libraries provide functionalities like input and output, mutex, and networking. So this is for the sockets. This is the library for sockets. So in here we define the variables, the port as port 8080 as the listening port, and mutex for synchronization, and the server socket. So this is the handling and accepting client connections. So this here accept clients a new client connection and sends a welcome message. And for the main function, we initialize the Windows Sockets API, and we create a new server socket, and we add a listener, and we launch a new thread for each client connection. And for Python client, this is the Python client. So we also create a socket for client, and we connect it to the server running on localhost port 8080. We have we have a welcome message and print it. We had a send a message to the server here, and we can close the socket, and we have exception handling for errors. So for Java, it's almost the same as the Python client code. So we have 80 ports. So we have port 8080 for establishing a connection. We have input and output streams to communicate with the server. Also, we have welcome message. So we have exception handling also. So if we run this, sorry, okay, if we run this, as you can see, it's listening to port 8080, which when you run this Python, you can add two numbers, 56, and it will reflect on here the output. The client is connected to Python, then receive this inputted number and the outputs. And its same goes as the Java. So with 90 it's 77. So 167 is also reflected here. And as you can see, connected also. So this is the received input, and this is the output.